Hello guys, welcome to today's live stream by Aglogains. My name is Nihant. So the whole point of today's video is we are going to cover the Ironfly strategy that I've executed for this week, right? So the expiry of 20th September. What is the Ironfly that I've executed at what strikes and how am I going to adjust that if the market goes against me? That is what we are going to talk in today's video. Okay, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and share my screen. uh, Alright. Okay, great. So you guys should be able to see my screen right now. So right now what you're seeing is the current positions that I have. So we look at the current PNL for today, all my intraday trades, and we will also look at the positional trades that I have first. Okay. So I've just opened the sensible side of things. This is my current PNL right now. Overall, these are the positions that I've taken. So what I did is I split these positions into groups so that it's easier for us to discuss. Okay. So once again, before I dive into this, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. It will really greatly help us out. All right. Now, there are three strategies that I had executed today. The first thing is the intraday strategy. This is the 920 strategy that we do every day, and we have discussed extensively in the channel about this. But there are still some doubts, and people do have some more questions about this. So I will make a detailed video again coming this week or next week. So let us look at that. The second major part is the positional strategy that I have here. So we have a total PNL here. We have the total decay, max profit, and the max loss. Now the thing with this strategy is it's an iron condor with a stop loss of about 20 to 30% on either sides. So I'll talk more about this. There is a video about this in the channel. I will try to link it somewhere here. Okay. Now the crux of today's video is this strategy, Ironfly, that we have executed. So let us look at what this strategy is and how we have enabled this. Okay. So if you see, I've opened the same strategy here, the Ironfly strategy that we are looking at. Now, if you look at this strategy, I've executed this exactly at 46,100 call option, sell, 46,100 put option, sell. Okay. These are the two options that I've sold. And as a hedge, I've bought at the break even price. So for example, if I not bought these and I just sold, the break evens would be 45,849. So this would be 45,500, right? So what I did is 45,600 put option is what I've bought as a break even on the downside, and on the top side 46,700. So I've bought 46,600 call option as the break even on the top side, right? So if you see, this is how the total Ironfly is constructed. Now the good part about this, something that I'm excited about, is the open interest currently is in that 46,000 mark. So that is well within the range of this Ironfly. So let's see how it expires. This is my current position. I am holding this right now. So let us see how this goes. Just to give you a perspective about how I'm going to adjust this strategy if there are changes that are going to come in the market. Okay, so we'll talk about that. All right. So diving into this, let us assume that the first adjustment that we have to do in this strategy will only happen when Bank Nifty touches these points, the break-even points, 45,741 and 46,459. So जब भी बैंक निफ्टी अगर नीचे की तरफ 45,741 पे आता है तो इस लेवल को let us mark it in the chart also. Okay, so let me just hide these. 45,741. सो यहाँ पे कहीं हम मार्क कर देंगे उसको. 45 मे बी समवेयर हियर. right? So somewhere here, this is one level, and the other level is here, 46. इसका क्या है? 46,459, which means 46,500. 46,500. This has a lot of space on the upside because I am slightly bullish on the market at this point. Let us see how it goes. Either ways, if it expires within this range, we do make a decent profit from this strategy. But let us see. Okay, so this is the range that I want Bank Nifty to expire before 23rd or at 23rd 20th September, and then we will be in profit. Okay. Now, for example, let us assume that the market starts falling and it comes down to the level 45,750 odd. Okay. So we'll simulate this right now. So 45,750, let us assume 45,750 tak market aa gaya. Okay. Somewhere here, exactly at the break even, and let's say this happened on Monday. Okay, Monday in the morning at 10:30 ko Monday subah. Okay, this is what the market looks like. So say instead of this, I will put 30. Okay, so now it's beyond the break even point. तो इस जगह पे हम हमारा फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे, एंड व्हाट द एडजस्टमेंट is on the call side. Because market has come down, on the call side we will be selling a call, okay, that is closer to 120 rupees. So let us go ahead and try to visualize that. So these are the real positions. So I have created a virtual portfolio with the same here. So the virtual portfolio that I've created is here. You can see it's almost the similar profits that we have. So this is some old strategy that I was tracking. This is the new one. Now if you see here, what we are going to do is let us simulate it. So let's say 45,730, okay, market comes down, and here it's on the 18th at morning 10:30, this happens. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is we are going to add an order where on the call side, because market has fallen down, क्योंकि मार्केट नीचे गिर गया है, हम कॉल के तरफ एक ऑप्शन को भेजेंगे. सो वील सेल अ कॉल ऑप्शन. ओके, कितने का कॉल ऑप्शन भेजेंगे? समथिंग दैट्स क्लोजर टू 120. ओके, तो दिस ऑप्शन वी हैव अ पोजीशन इन दिस. सो आई कैन सेल द 132 और द 112. इस पे ही हम डबल डाउन कर सकते हैं. So I'm going to sell another 14 lots, the same quantity of the call option. Okay, और इसको hedge करने के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will buy this the same quantity. Okay, so these are the two new trades that I've executed, and this is how the position looks. Sorry, we have done on the put side. We have to do it on the call side. Just a second. So 126 sell. Okay. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, buy 14. So that why are we doing this? What is the reason of doing this? The reason why we are doing this is because if the market continues to fall down, look at this. If the market goes from 45,700, it goes to 45,500, 44, 45,200. Our loss is limited to around 1,300, 1,400 points. That's the beauty of this strategy, right? If you see my loss, maximum loss on this side is capped. At expiry, it will be maximum 10,000. Okay, so I've done this. Now let us assume there are two things that the market can do, right? It can keep going down. So let us assume that the market has gone to 45,200, and when did this go? It went, say, by 2:30 on Monday. Okay, now if you see by 2:30 on Monday, if the market goes to this level, we will be at a total PNL of minus 3,471. Okay, the option, so the option that I've sold here, okay, just a second. This would have come down drastically, and our total P&L would be about 2000 or 2500, right? Now, at this point, if the option that you have sold for 126 or close to 120 comes anywhere close to 35, I want you to book the profit, exit this leg at 35, okay, and exit your support leg also, but you can keep that if it's close by, that's fine, and enter another call sell. Okay, see, the only time it will fall down to 35 is the market if it's continuously falling, and if it's falling you want to keep selling calls, right? So you would then enter another call option which is now closer to 100. Okay, so you sell. What we are doing is we are selling farther and farther OTM call options so that our risk is capped, our risk is smaller amount, and because of theta decay it will be a lot, and your profit potential will be higher. Okay, so we'll be selling 14. I have a hedge right here, so that's fine. So I'll do done and save this. Okay, now if you see what I've done right now is because I sold this option, I've capped my maximum loss that I can make in this strategy to around 2000. 2000 se zyada I cannot make a loss in this strategy. Okay, unless the market comes all from here to this side, which is about 2000 points overnight, this strategy has no problem in being executed. Now let us assume that the market further falls down, right? It goes further down, still our profit or our loss is maximum at 2000. Now at this level, the new option that you sold, right, the new option that you sold close to 100, you might want to exit this also. If it comes down to 35, you will exit this and book a profit there as well, right? Now because you booked a profit here, what are you going to do? You're going to add to this position. So let us go ahead and add and sell another call, right? That's what we are going to do. So this time you'll sell a call that is close to 77 or 70, but this is the one that's 77. So sell 14, and you already have a hedge, so that is not a problem. Done. Just by doing this, what you are doing, and look at the funds needed. The funds needed are always constant. It's for 3 lots of the buy side there are 2 legs, sell side there are 2 legs, and there is an additional 2 legs that you have to have capital for. So with 12 to 14 quantity, you need about 6 lakhs is what you need roughly. Just by doing this, what I've done is I've capped my max loss. I mean, I've increased it to 11,000 profit. Abhi mujhe loss nahi ho sakta hai. I will have a maximum profit of 11,000. This is how you can adjust and make sure that even if the market reverses against you, you are still able to exit the Ironfly with a profit. So I hope this really helped you understand a little bit more about Ironfly and understand the strategy that I have currently employed in the market. So let us see Monday pe kya hota hai, and let us see how the markets open, what is the whole idea on Monday, and then let us see how the options perform. It will be a fun thing to just see how my P&L is, and I'll be very happy to share it with you. I've also posted my live P&L for you guys to check out. It's in the description of this video. You guys can check the link here. It's in the description, and you can see my live P&L. So tomorrow when it gets updated, you will be able to see that also live. What else? So this is the market outlook for tomorrow. Today it's been a very range bound market. Fridays are generally trending days. That is because new OI is being built into the markets. Because Thursday was so quiet and so range bound, right? It was hardly 0.7% upwards and downwards move. I suspect that tomorrow the market might see a significant rally, right? Again, this is hopium. I'm being positive about this because if the market sees a significant rally, it will really help out the strategy that we are currently in. So say for example, the market opens with a gap up and continues higher, that's fantastic. But if it opens with a gap up or gap down, fills this gap and continues higher, that will be the ideal case scenario for us in terms of the strategy. So that's it from me, guys. If you are new to the channel and if you have any questions or any thoughts, please do leave them in the comments below. I read all the comments and I like to reply to all of them. If you have any other questions that you want to ask me, you can also reach out to me on my email, And if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. It'll really help us out. And we'll keep posting videos almost on a weekly basis. We try to come live almost every 1 or 2 days. And our live PNL is shared so that there is no discrepancy in terms of how we are trading. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It was a pleasure talking to you. I hope you have had a good trading day. Let me know in the comments if you have any experiences about today's trading. How was your expiry? Did you make good profits? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.